Yeah. Last time we have learned in the last class we have given the definition of force. It's basically it is a push or a pull acting upon an object as a result of its interaction with another object. And so this is what pulling pulling a cart by horse, or in this rope, this team is pulling, this team is also pulling in opposite direction. Tug of war game. So, so in physics we can say it may change the state of motion. Force may change the state of motion or a state of rest. Okay, so it can make the object to move, or it can make the object to stop, which is moving body, or it can make the, or it can change the direction of a moving object. Okay, all this we know, and also there is one more thing. It can also change the shape and size of the object, the force and its effects. Okay, the net force. For a single force, we will not say any kind of net force. If there are many forces are acting at the same time on one particular body, then we say that there is a net force. Okay, and we also call it as resultant force. And we have also learned balanced forces. The force, the forces which are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So every time we are mentioning magnitude and direction. So force is a vector quantity. Okay, an unbalanced force. So if there is no unequal, like if there are forces, two or three forces, or two forces which are having unequal magnitude and they are acted upon opposite direction or same direction, whatever you say, then we say unbalanced forces. So net force is not equal to zero, then we say unbalanced forces, and it results in acceleration. It results in acceleration. Till this point, we have learned, like we have also played a game, some simulation game, and we understood in depth of balanced and unbalanced forces. Then next today we will be learning force, its units, and conversion of units. Okay. Yeah. SI unit of force is either Newton, capital N you can write because it is named after the scientist. So if you are writing only symbol, you have to write capital N, and if you are writing full name, then you have to write with a small letter Newton, or F is equal to MA formula, you know. So according to that formula, M mass unit is kg, acceleration unit is meter per second square. So kg meter per second square is also a unit of force, SI unit of force, or we can also write this as kg meter second to the power of minus 2. Okay, in CGS unit, dyne, or gram centimeter per second square, or gram centimeter second to the power of minus 2. Second to the power of minus 2. Okay, so now today we will be learning the relation between Newton and dyne, and how to convert Newton to dyne or dyne to Newton. Okay, and I have also given some more like Newton to millinewton, kilonewton. Okay, like that also we will be learning today. So relation between Newton and dyne. 1 Newton is 1 kg meter per second square. 1 kg is nothing but 1000 gram or 10 power 3 gram. and 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeter or 10 power 2 centimeter. Then I am putting these values. 1 kg has 10 power 3 grams, 1 meter has 10 power 2 centimeter per second square as it is, there is no conversion. So 10 power 3 into 10 power 2, 10 power 5, 10 power 5 gram centimeter per second square. So gram centimeter per second square, we can call it as dyne. We can call it as dyne. Okay. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. So this is the relation between SI unit and CGS unit of a force. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. 10 power 5 dyne. Okay. Or 1 dyne is equal to 10 power minus 5 Newton. 10 power minus 5 Newton. Is it okay or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
This relation, did you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's clear.
Sir, can you please repeat?
Yeah, which one I have to repeat?
Sir, the relation.
Yeah, 1 Newton is nothing but 1 kg meter per second square. And I am just substituting 1 kg as 10 power 3 grams and 1 meter as 10 power 2 centimeter. That's it. So if I substitute that, 10 power 3 into 10 power 2, which is equal to 10 power 5, and gram centimeter per second square, I have written as it is, and gram centimeter per second square is nothing but dyne. Okay. So 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 5 dyne. So this is the relation. Yeah, Prachita, is it okay still?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah, okay, very good. So 1 Newton is given as 10 power 5 dyne, and 1 dyne is equal to 10 power minus 5 Newton. 10 power minus 5 Newton. Okay. If you send this 10 power 5, that's it. Then 1 dyne becomes 10 power 5 minus 5 Newton. Okay. So that is why see, everywhere there is a conversion. For every chapter there is a conversion, measurement and units conversion. So that is why I have taken a basic course of measurement initially. Okay. So these are also we have learned. Like, first let us solve only Newton to dyne, dyne to Newton. That's it. You just forget about this two. First 1 to 10 problems. 1 to 10 problems. Let us try from Newton to dyne, dyne to Newton. Then this kilonewton and millinewton let us discuss little later. Okay. Now we understood the formula. 1 Newton is nothing but 10 power 5 dyne. So 10 Newton is nothing but how many dyne?
Sir, 10 to the power 6.
Yes, very
10 to the
good.
power 6 dynes.
Sir, 10 to the power 6 dyne.
Yes, very good, Ayush and Akash, Arpit.
Thank you, sir.
6 dyne. Very good. Then I have given 10 dyne. Convert it into Newton.
Sir,
Sir, 10 to the
10 to
power
the power
minus 4
minus
Newton.
6. 6
Wrong
times.
answer.
10 to the power minus 5 times.
Wrong answer.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 4 Newton.
Very good, Akash. 10 power minus 4. 10 into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 10 power minus 4 Newton. Arpit, correct. Is it okay? 10 into 10 power 5, 10 power 6 dyne, and 10 into 10 power minus 5, 10 power minus 4 Newton. Okay. The next
Sir, please explain it again.
dyne, 10 dyne is given. 10 dyne. Okay. If you want to convert, na, you have to multiply with 10 power minus 5. Okay. Then you will get the answer in Newton. So 10 into 10 power minus 5 is nothing but 10 power minus 4 Newton. That's it. Is it okay, Adesh? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
The next 0.1 Newton I have given. Convert it into
Sir, 10
dynes.
to the sir 10 to the power 4 dyne.
Sir, 10 to the power 4 dyne.
10 to the power 4 dyne.
Yes, very good, excellent. 0.1 into 10
4
power
dyne.
5. Into 10 power 5 you have to do 0.51 is nothing but 0.1 is nothing but 10 power minus 1, and 10 power minus 1 into 10 power 5, 10 power 4 dyne. Yes, very good. The next 0.1 dyne to Newton. 0.
10 to the power minus 6 Newtons.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 4 Newton.
Minus 6 Newton.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 6 Newtons.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 6 Newton.
10 power minus 6. Mayuk correct. Akash correct. Arpit correct. Yes, very good. Okay. So 0.1 dyne is nothing but 10 power minus 1, and 10 power minus 1 into 10 power minus 5, which is equal to 10 power minus 6 Newton. Okay, very good. The next 100 Newton, convert it into dyne.
Sir, 10 to the power 7 dyne.
Very good, Akash. 10 power 7. So only some answers I am listening. Why? What about others? Are you getting it or not? Ishita correct. Mayuk correct. Subhajit correct. Akash correct. Then next 100 dyne to 100 dyne to Newton.
Sir, 10 to the power 7.
Adesh wrong.
Sir, 10 to the power minus 3 Newtons.
Yes, 10 to the power minus 3 Akash correct. Subhajit and Akash correct. Rahana correct. Sneha correct.
Thank you, sir.
Ishita correct. Arpit. Oh, seventh one.
Sir, the question was 100 dyne to Newton.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Amit correct. Amit correct.
Answer is 10 to the power minus 10.
Which question, beta? Rachita? Which
Number
question?
6. Number 6.
Number 6. What is your answer?
10 to the power minus 10.
10 power 2. 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 5. It is 10 power minus 3. Wrong answer. Rachita.
Okay, sir.
10 power 2 into 10 power minus 5. 10 power minus 3 Newton. Okay. The next. Seventh one. Seventh one.
Sir, 25 into 10 to the power 5 dyne.
Sir, 25 into 10 to the power 3 dyne.
Sir, 25 into 10 to the power 3 dyne.
No. Your answer should be in standard form. Remember the standard form. Okay, numerically that is correct, but
Sir,
standard
25 into
to,
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4 dyne.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4 dyne.
yes, correct answer, Akash. Correct.
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power 4.
Yes, Ishita, correct. Akash,
Subhajit also tell this.
correct. Sneha, correct.
Sir, someone's mic is disturbing, sir.
Please mute yourself, all of you. Please mute yourself. Rifa, correct. Yes, Rifa. Very good. Arpit, correct. Arpit, you are sending advance, so how can I? The next ninth one.
Sir,
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton.
Sorry, eighth one.
5 Newton.
Sir, 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton.
Yes, very good, Supajit. 0.25 is nothing but 0.25 is nothing but 2.5 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, and you are converting it into Newton, so into 10 power minus 5. Okay, then which is equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 6 Newton. All of you should note down. All of you should note down. After the class, you have to send me the running notes.
Sir,
So, eighth answer is 2.5 into 10 power minus 6. Yeah, Adesh, you are telling something?
sir, we cannot write like this that 0.25 into 10 to the power minus 5,
0.25 into?
10 to the power minus 5, sir.
Yeah, that is answer is correct, but not in standard form, na? I have been telling you what is standard form. So this coefficient should be greater than 1 and less than 10. In such a way you have to write. If you write 0.25 which is less than 1, so that is not in standard form. Okay, Adesh,
Okay, sir.
you have to make this number greater than 1, less than 10. Greater than 1, less than 10. Then that becomes a standard form. Numerical value this and this both are correct, but standard form point of view, this is wrong, this is correct. That's it. The next ninth one, Prahana, Arpit, correct. Ninth one, Arpit, correct.
0.5 into 10 to the power 6.
Sir, 1.05
Sir,
into 10 to
1.5.
the power 6 dyne.
Prachita, you have given 10.5 to the power of 6. That is wrong. 10.5 power of 6 is wrong, Prachita. Arpit, please wait. You have to do 10.5 into 10 power 5. It is not 10.5 to the power of 5. Okay? So this 10, again you can write it as 1.05 into
1.05 into 10 to the power 4.
into 10 into 10 power 5. Adesh, again you have done a mistake. Which is equal to 1.05 into 10 power 6. Rachita, slowly you do. Slow and steady wins the race. So this answer becomes, ninth one answer is 1.05 into 10 power 6. Yeah, Rupanjan correct. Shubham, you are wrong, beta. Shubham, Mayuk, you are also wrong. You have written 1.5 to the power of 6. And that is wrong. 1.05 into 10 power 6. Mayuk. And Ayush, 10 power 6. 1.05 into 10 power 6. Arijit, you are also wrong. 1.05 into 10 power 6. Shubham, you are wrong. 10.5 into 10.5 to the power of 6 you have written. It is 1.05 into 10 power 6. Rifa Afrin correct, very good. Rupanjan correct. Mayuk correct. Ishita correct. Amit correct. Arpit, wait, 10th one. So try to understand the standard form. Arpit correct. So 10.5, which is not a, which is greater than 10, so that is why you are making it into this number. Subranil Ganguly, that is first step correct. But then next what to do? Next step you have to do this, Subranil. 10.5 into 10 power 5 is only not the answer. Rahana, correct. Subranil Ganguly, now you are correct. Rahana, you have given correct only. And that is not sixth one. That is ninth one. Rahana. Okay. The next 10th one, please, all of you. 10th one.
Sir, 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 4.
Yes, Superjit, correct. Satyaki, you are right.
1.05 into 10 to the power minus 8
wrong.
newtons.
Akash, wrong. Satyaki, please take care. 10 power. Satyaki.
Sir, it's 10 power minus 4.
Yes, 10 power minus 4, correct, Akash.
Okay, sir.
Ishita, correct. Adesh, please mute yourself. I have muted. Please do not unmute. If you want to tell something, please chat. In the chat box, you give me. In the chat box. The next 10th one, 10.5. Yes, Arpit, correct. 10.5 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. Then which is equal to 10.5, you can write it as 1.05 into 10 into 10 power minus 5. Okay. Then which is equal to,
Sir, answer is 1.05 into 10 to the power minus 4.
yes, Prashita, correct. 1.05 into 10 power minus 4 Newton is the correct answer for 10th problem. Okay. Very good. Yes. Yeah. Next we will be learning Newton to kilonewton, Newton to millinewton. Okay. Newton to kilonewton, Newton to millinewton. Okay. Now can you see? Krishna, now can you see? Can you see my document, Krishna?
Yes, sir. Now I can see.
And Krishna, you are also not answering any question. These are very simple. Multiplication with 10 power 5 or multiplication with 10 power minus 5. Very simple. Next, Newton to kilonewton, let us try to understand. Okay. So you know already 1 kilo Newton. If I give 1 kilonewton is equal to how many newtons?
Sir, 1000 Newton.
Yeah, very good, Arpit. So 10 power 3 newtons. 10 power 3. Kilo means, kilogram means 1000 gram or 10 power 3 grams, you will say. In the same way, 1 kilonewton means 10 power 3 newton. Okay? 1 kilonewton means. So kilonewton to newton is multiply with 10 power 3. And if you want to know newton to kilonewton, you have to send this 10 power 3 here. Then it becomes.
Sir, we will do 0.001 kilonewton.
See, Arpit, always not go for decimal point.
10 to the power minus 3.
Yes, that's it. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. Because 1 kilonewton is equal to 10 power 3 Newton. And this 10 power 3, if you send this side, it becomes 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. Okay, so 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 3 minus 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. The next, Newton to millinewton, let us try to understand. Newton to millinewton.
The millinewton can be 1 Newton equals to
1 millinewton is equal to,
So 10 to the power minus 3 Newton.
1 millinewton is 10 power minus 3 Newton,
Newton.
and 1 Newton is equal to, you see,
1000 Newton. 1000
10 power 3 here, 10 power minus 3 here, then it becomes 10 power 3 millinewton. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. 1 Newton is equal to 10 power 3 millinewton. This is the conversion. 1 millinewton is equal to 10 power minus 3 Newton, and 1 Newton is 10 power 3 millinewton. All of you write this. Write it. These 4 points. These 4 points you write it. 1 millinewton is 10 power minus 3 Newton. 1 Newton is 10 power 3 millinewton. 1 kilonewton is 10 power 3 Newton. 1 Newton is 10 power minus 3 kilonewton. All of you write these 4 points. All of you must write.
Sir,
Yes.
so what is the relationship between kilonewton to millinewton or millinewton to kilonewton, sir?
That also we will tell. Okay. First you write.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Have you written, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. The next, we have already learned in the measurement topic, like kilometer to millimeter. Just like that, we have done many problems. In assignment 2, hope you have remembered or not, I do not know. Okay. So in another 5 minutes, the meeting is going to end. You have to log in again with the same link. You have to log in again with the same link, and if it is taking some time, please have some patience. It may take some time, please have some patience, but log in again with the same link. The next kilonewton to millinewton as asked by Adesh. So I already told you, kilonewton to millinewton, if you want to convert, just divide it kilo by milli. That's it. Kilo by millinewton. Kilonewton by millinewton, you divide it, Newton gets cancelled. 10 power 3 kilo is nothing but 10 power 3. Milli is nothing but 10 power minus 3. And if you send this to numerator, then it becomes 10 power 3 plus 3, that is 6. So 1 kilo is equal to 10 power 6 milli. So 1 kilonewton is nothing but 10 power 6 millinewton, or 1 millinewton is nothing but 10 power minus 6 kilonewton. Is it okay now, Adesh?
Yes.
Write this
Yes, sir.
point also, all of you write this point. Kilonewton by millinewton, which is equal to 10 power 3 by milli is nothing but 10 power minus 3. Then if you simplify, it becomes 10 power 6. 1 kilo is nothing but 10 power 6 milli. Have you written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sir.
Then next you write this relation. 1 kilonewton is equal to 10 power 6 millinewton. Write this point, you write it, and also one more point. 1 millinewton is equal to, send this 10 power 6 this side, then it becomes 10 power minus 6 kilonewton. This is what these two relations also write it. These two relations also write it. Is it okay? Have you written, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.